Greetings, theorists. It is Wednesday, July 7th, 2021, and we have a cherry bomb, our first cherry bomb of the week. I hope you all had a good weekend. It's a few days off for me. I'm a little tired, bloodshot eyes. We had some weather roll through last night. I must have woken up 100 times, so a little tired. But maybe you're not tired. Maybe you're ready to go. So let's get going with that trade overview. Today we're looking at Clean Energy. It comes to us from Tasty Trade as these cherry bomb trades. See the cherry right there? Right? That's where they come from. They come from Tasty Trade. We'll tell you at the end how you can get those emails sent to your inbox with trade ideas too, but just stick with us. We'll finish this trade overview. We're looking at Clean Energy, a natural gas company. It's got a liquidity rank of 4 drops out of 4. See them over there, right? We're looking at selling a short put, which you wouldn't think because that IV rank is real low. But the at-the-money IV is real high, and that's because this looks to be like one of those Reddit-worthy type pumps and dumps, maybe? Are we at the dump phase? And I got a couple of things for us to look at. So if you're new to this and, hey, we can look at other stocks that have run the Reddit gamut here and gambit, and we'll see what your thoughts are. So let's get started, shall we? Hi everybody, my name is Neil and this is Option Theory, and inside, on your screen right now, you can see we're inside Thinkorswim's simulated trading. This is especially great for those of you that are wondering, should you get into trading? And that's where we're going to live. You can take this application, get all the learning without any other risk, and then know what you're going to do when you get to trading your real money, right? If you decide to go there. We hope you do, because we all like more liquidity in the market. So that's my sales pitch. Costs you $0. Hope to see you at the end of the video. It does help me when you watch these videos to the end. All right, let's take a look at the chart here. Let's pull up Clean Energy. And you can see here, this is one of those Reddit style stocks where it's been really just not volatile and flat for a long time, low price as well. And then the pump, right? That's big increase right there. And then the dump, right? But here we can see that it seems to have leveled. Let's call this right about here, that it's leveling off, and it's leveled off and stayed, I guess, level. I wouldn't call that super level, but there we are, higher than where it was. Now, let's take a moment here and compare that with another one that's done this before. Let's go to GameStop. Perhaps you've heard of that one. Similar, low price underlying, right? Flat for a long time. The pump, followed by a quick dump, and then another pump, and then a dump. So we're going to continue to see the pumps? I don't know about that, but we've definitely leveled off higher than where we were before. So then let's take this to another one, because we got to show you the contrary. Low price underlying, the pump, the dump, and then leveled off but lower than where it was before. And I should know, because I've played with this one here and I'm long 200 shares. Now I've been selling some covered calls and reducing my cost basis just as a, hey, this can happen sometimes. You can sell puts, you can end up long, you can think, wow, this is really on sale, it's not going to go much lower, and it does, and you end up long 200 shares. And that's okay for me, such a low price. But yeah, wonder what you think of that. Now that you see some of the previous contenders, let's go back to Clean Energy and take a look at the trade as we were sent the trade today. So we're looking at the August monthlies with 44 days left to expiration. You twirl that open, and we're looking at selling the 8 strike put, which is a 21 delta. And yeah, there you are, which would put, if you collect 50 cents, it would put you at about 750 as your break even. So really you'd be about halfway, or, your break even would be about a 15-16 delta, right? There you go. So that gives you an idea of the awesome probabilities you're looking at this. Now, I say awesome because I know if you're the kind of person that's into the Reddit pump and dumps, you're probably looking for your lottery ticket. You're looking to buy a call or buy a put and have it move the direction that you want it to. In this case, 3 directions can be right. It can stay the same, it can go up, and it can even go against you. And you can still be profitable. You can still even make maximum profit. Yeah, that maximum profit is not the kind of thing you brag to your friends and post on social medias. But anyway, let's talk about that. Here we are. We've got one contract, $8 strike for the August 20th, 2021 strike, collecting anywhere between 45 and 50 cents. That means you could make, let's lowball it, $45 maximum. But what's our probabilities? Let's go to the risk profile and find out the probabilities of this happening. We've dialed in the date in the top right corner to the same date that you see in the bottom left corner. That's a 70, and we've set our price slice to break even. That's break even at expiration is where this blue line crosses the x-axis. And that's a 76% probability of us having that happen before or at expiration, right? So that's pretty great. What's the P50? That's a metric that we get from Tastyworks. Let's head on over to Tastyworks for a brief moment. And the P50 is something that whenever I show my mouse, or I try to show my mouse, it looks like it's showing up for me, but it doesn't for whatever reason. For you guys, it's saying it's a 93% probability of us being able to take off our half of our profit by somewhere in the next 44 days. So $25, $22, not super exciting, but data show that that's the right thing to do over time, repeatedly. And that's what we're doing here. That's why we're testing this repeatedly. Come back and join us. All right, let's right-click this trade. You're not going to see it until I hit a little button on my one screen over here. Hang on. There's the confirm and send screen. And we're looking at the max profit of $45. Max loss should Clean Energy go out of business is $755. Now, I get that that's not the most exciting thing in the world, right? So if we were to pull up the calculator here and pull up $45 over the $755, you could make 5.9% on capital, return on capital, if you make maximum profit, right? Cut that in half. But still, in 44 days, making 6% a year, let's round up, 6% return is pretty good. Right? Okay, there it is. I want to go ahead and put this one in my IRA account. And yeah, there it is. Because guess what? It's going to have some company over here. Let's find it. It's going to have some company with XL over here. You can see XL has not been a super winner for us. But we have 200. I want to show this. I don't hide anything. I'm long 200 shares. I'm selling covered calls on half of them. I'm leaving one half uncovered. So in case it should rally again, although it doesn't seem like it's going to, but I will continue to sell covered calls and see what happens. All right, this one's at 93%. I should probably close that one. While you're here, why don't we go ahead and buy that back for 5 cents? And yeah, there we go. Confirm and send. Send that. Send that bad boy. Let's see what happens. If you've made it this far into my video, big thumbs up to you. There's no thumbs up button for me to hit, but there is for you if you feel I've earned it. I do appreciate that you watch my videos to the end. Thank you so much. And if you're interested and you're new to the channel, here's a couple things you might want to do. Get an email sent to you with trade ideas. How to do that? In the description, you'll see a link to go sign up with Tasty Trade. I don't get anything from them. There's no relationship that I have with them other than that I use their brokerage services as well too, right? Come on back when you're done signing up for their Cherry Bomb email list and maybe consider subscribing to this channel and ringing the bell because you'll have us. We can work together. You can ask questions in the chat box, or not chat box. It's not a chat box. It's a comment section, all right? And I would do my best to get back to you. So yeah, thanks so much. Subscribe, ring that bell, and I'll look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb. Until then, everybody, may the market be with you.